Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. So at the back here, I've got some carrots cut nice and small, onion just there. So I've got like one large carrot and one medium-sized onion. Here I've got our chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut really nice and thin because we want this to cook really fast. There's one large chicken breast there. Some green or spring onions there, we're going to add them right at the end. Then some green beans or French beans, whatever you like, and some bell peppers there, green. 1, 2, 3, these are equal parts. These are like 2 tablespoons of sriracha, dark soy sauce, and fish sauce. There I've got some black pepper. You will notice that we're not adding any salt to this because soy and the fish sauce very salty, so I don't find any need. Then we've got some garlic here and some ginger, about a heaped tablespoon of each, fresh and chopped. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. And next up, I'm going to show you the noodles. Okay, so for our noodles, I'm using this very thin one. These are egg wheat noodles. There are many types. You can get them dry and you cook them like I've done. You can get them pre-cooked and kind of vacuum packed. It's up to you. Thick, thin, however you want, but just get them ready and set them aside. Okay, next step, the chicken. So what I like to do is get some bits and pieces on the chicken before we fry it. So nice thin pieces of chicken. We're going to add to that dark soy, that fish sauce, that sriracha or a kind of mild chili, and black pepper. Simply we're going to give that a mix, and now we can go over to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my wok here. I've got a huge wok, in fact it's really big. Some oil in there. I've got sunflower oil in there. Now, woks are good for this because they're really nice and thin. The metal's really thin. They get hot really quickly. Everything we're going to do is on really high heat. So as that's heating up, we're going to drop in our ginger and our garlic. Now these 2 ingredients are really going to infuse that oil. So just to do this for a little few seconds, 10 seconds or so, you're going to get a nice little colour on there, nice golden brown, which is wonderful, fantastic. What we're going to do now is get in our onions. I've sliced mine and I'm using red. We're going to put in now our green beans and our carrots. These are our hardest vegetables. Just want to get them moving. I've still got the bell peppers to go. So high heat, keep it moving, see you in 2 minutes. So that's about 2 minutes. Still nice and crunchy. I'm getting a lovely kind of smoky flavour from the wok now, which is great. Now we're going to drop in our chicken that we've marinated in, remember the soy, the sriracha, and the fish sauce with black pepper. In this goes. Keep it moving now, 2 to 3 minutes, very high heat. Absolutely wonderful. At this point I'm going to throw in the last vegetable of mine, which is the green bell peppers or capsicums, whatever you call them. Now I'm very lucky that this cooker is super hot. It really does throw out a massive flame. Now we're going to drop in our noodles, our cooked noodles. In they go. And what I find useful is getting 2 spoons now. And we're going to throw this around in the pan. Again for about 4 to 5 minutes. If I actually get a little bit of browning or blackening on my noodles, I'm really happy about that. Okay, that's great. Off goes the heat. See you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Served up in a bowl. Let's get some spring onions over the top there, or green onions, and that's it. absolutely wonderful. So the secret of this is massively high heat, as high as you can. A little bit of burning, a little bit of blackening is actually beautiful, gives it a lovely flavour. Obviously not too much, but just a little bit there. Super easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Ciao, mate, love.